Hey foodies, wagwan, welcome to the channel. So guess what, today we're going to be making some salt mackerel rundown, one of my favorite Jamaican dish to make. I'm going to teach you the step-by-step guide to making dish for yourself. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to be starting by cooking the saltfish to remove the salt. And this is going to take at least an hour. So you're going to place the salt mackerel in cold water, put it on the stove and cook it for an hour. Then we're going to remove the salt mackerel from the stove and we're going to transfer the mackerel to some cold water and we're going to let this sit for about 10 minutes. Make sure to remove as much bone as possible from the fish using a small paring knife. So feel free to use the veggies that you have available. I'm going to be using some peppers and carrots and some green onions and some hot pepper. So I'm going to saute this. We're using about a tablespoon of butter. Make sure you have the pot nice and hot. So you want to stir fry the veggies for about 2 minutes before adding in the coconut milk. At this point, let's use some garlic powder and some fish seasoning to season our fish sauce. So we remove the salt mackerel from the water and we drain everything, and now we're going to be adding it to our sauce. Now let this cook for about 10 minutes on low heat, just so that all of the flavor can seep out from the fish into the cream sauce.